won the Manufacturing Energy Efficiency Star of the Year Award in 2018 from the Alliance to Save Energy, which is a long-standing and very distinguished and prominent non-governmental organization. It's well known in the energy efficiency community, so to be recognized by an organization of this nature is of course, in and of itself, it's a big accomplishment, you know, something we can be very proud of. In addition to the recognition from a great organization like the Alliance to Save Energy, what I think was particularly notable is that we were nominated for this award by the Department of Energy. The Department of Energy has been our partner going back to 2011 when Legrand made a commitment to the Better Building, Better Plant program. They've helped us every step of the way, so it was really very special to think that they wanted us to receive this recognition and voluntarily nominated us for this award. So it was a very proud moment for us as a company.